daily post per domain. Now, you may have noticed that there's nowhere on FBN that specifies you get a number of posting points based on the page rank of the sites you submit. Most other blogger networks, they give you more posting power if you submit higher PR pages, and the reason they do that is because they cannot segment their networks in the same way that we can. Every other blog network has a central network, so you have all the PR1s and all the PR5s mixed in together, so they have to allocate higher posting abilities, otherwise people wouldn't submit higher quality sites. So with FBN, because you can submit the minimum page rank, you don't get more posts because of the page rank of the site you submit. So if I specify 5, then every site is PR5 and you can have 5 posts per day. But if it's 0 and someone submits a PR5 to a minimum page rank 0 network, then they don't get more posts, they get the same post. So many people choose to keep their higher PR domains to higher PR networks, which is fine. And then the last option is whether or not the network is private. And what this means is that it will not show on the network's grid if you select yes. And that means the only way people can join the network you've created is if they apply through the special link in the network management page, which I'll show you in another video. The reason you might want to do that is because maybe you like the way that the FBN system works, and you want to distribute content across your site, but you don't really want to deal with applications, or maybe you're really paranoid and you don't want anyone else trying to infiltrate the system. But if you do select yes, then your network's basically invisible, even to other members and even to us, the administration of FBN. So that's just an extra privacy feature. And then you submit to finish, and I'm just going to run through and check my settings, make sure I'm happy with this. Okay, so I've changed the settings to what I'm happy with. I'm going to submit the network. This is what it looks like afterwards, and there's a manage button here. So I go to my networks, and I can see my network, and I can see how many members and sites are in it, and how many people are waiting in the approval list.